video, we'll follow Nadir as he uses the Classroom app with his students. The app content is fully integrated into every unit in the student's book. So when Nadir sees the app symbol in the book, he knows that an app activity is available. When the app symbol appears at the start of an activity, he uses the app as a lead-in. When the symbol appears at the end of an activity, he uses it as a follow-up. The app provides a combination of open and closed practice. 60% of the activities are closed answer controlled practice and build on the language practice in the student's book. 40% are open answer discussion activities that boost students' engagement. As a general rule, Nadir uses 2 approaches to complete these types of tasks. He asks his students to complete the closed practice activities on their own in class or for homework, and the open discussion tasks in groups in the classroom. For the open discussions, he usually applies the Think, Pair, Share technique, which consists of 3 steps. First, students answer the question on the first screen on their own. Second, they join another student who gave the same answer. And third, they share the most interesting aspects with the class. Let's have a look at the types of tasks. At the beginning of each unit, Nadir uses the Unlock Your Knowledge activity. He then uses the practice activities included in the receptive skills section. Nadir asks his students to complete Understanding Key Vocabulary, the Critical Thinking Plus task, and Language Development. When Nadir and his students work on the productive skills, they complete Preparation for Speaking and the Academic Writing Skills task. Nadir always reminds his students of the Reference Materials tab, which offers them great support. Using this tab, his students have access to reference banks that contain relevant language and skills boxes from the students' books, giving them instant access to all the information they need to complete their work in class. Nadir also asks his students to look up any unknown words in the dictionary by using the link included in the app. Nadir and his students can review their answers to interactive activities, and their scores feed into the Cambridge LMS gradebook. Enjoy teaching with the Classroom app.